Hello friends, today we will learn how to use Tor proxy in Python interpreter. So let's start. Type the sudo python 3 command in the terminal. Now let's import the request library. The request library in Python is used to make HTTP requests, to interact with web services and retrieve data from websites. Now set the IP URL where we get our public IP. We send a GET request to this IP URL and wait for the response. Now the request is completed, so let's check the response of the request. First we check the response status code. Here we can see that the response code is 200. It was successful and the server provided the expected response. Now I used getip.txt to this indicate that print the response of request. Click on the file and start a new tab. We run Tor. If Tor is not installed in your system, then use the following command. And in this, type the following command to start Tor service. This command start Tor with super user permission. Now we check the status of Tor service whether it is running or not. To check, we use service Tor status command. Now go back to the previous terminal and set the proxy in Python. So now I create a proxy dictionary and store two items HTTP and HTTP with the sock5 proxy URL and port. When we run Tor, it's create a sock5 proxy server on a port 9050 on our localhost. Now the proxy dictionary was successfully created and I use this proxy dictionary with request and wait for the response. Here we can see that the response code is 200. I use getip.txt to print the response and here we can see our IP address. This IP address is different from the above IP address. This means that the Tor proxy worked properly. And now I reload the Tor service using sudo service tor reload to change my IP again. And I get IP from back. And when I look at the response, I will receive a new IP again. Lastly, don't forget to turn off the Tor service. To stop Tor service, type sudo service tor stop. Now let's close this. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any query, please comment.